Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to color grade in Lightroom to get this yellow and black look. Just a quick disclaimer, this preset works best when you have a lot of red, yellow and orange in the background. So let me reset this image. So you can see here there's a lot of red building in the background. And when you apply this preset, just make sure to change the settings around a little bit, because the settings on your image and the setting on my cameras are always different, so you can't expect the same result every time. So with that said, let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the temperature portion and just make it a little bit warmer, maybe about 7650, should be good. And then I'm gonna go into the tint. Let's bring it down a little bit, maybe to 24, 25. Right, and I'm gonna bring up the exposure just a bit, and I'm gonna really bring the highlights down because the highlights are kind of overexposed in this image. And I'm gonna bring the whites down, so bring back some of the details. And let's bring the contrast up, not that much. Let's bring the shadow up just a little bit, and then bring the black down. Right, so here we have the base of our image. Let's move on to vibrance. I'm going to bring up the vibrance a little bit. I think about 10 should be fine. And I'm going to bring down desaturation. -24 is what I have. Okay, so let's move on to hue, saturation, and luminance. So this is you're gonna change all of these up. So let's get started with the red channel. So let's bring up the red channel about 56, and we're gonna go into the yellow, and we're really gonna crush it, bring it down to like that much, and bring the green channel down. Say 89. The green is gonna be around -91. And then I just have these settings like on a different screen, so I have to like just slide back and forth for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter them in real quick. So you're going to have -17 for this one. And let's see, saturation, we're going to do 56. Orange, we're going to do 16. Yellow, we're going to do -84. And green, just you bring it down, all the way down. We're going to bring the aqua all the way down too. And then we're going to bring the blue down to -49. Purple, you can play around with it. It's not really important. There's not a lot of purple in this image, so -20, 21, 22 doesn't matter. Alright, let's play with the luminance. So let's bring it down to -18, -20. Be careful not to bring the orange down too much, because if you do, it's gonna look like that. You don't want to do that. So somewhere around like -20 should be fine. And then green is going to be -18, and aqua is going to be -20. There we go. And let's go into split toning, and let's do a quick. Let's pick this color 53, and we're going to do like maybe 3. Saturation, and then here we do 185. And let's do like a really light touch saturation in 2. And that's pretty much how you edit the image. So what you can do here now is you can just play with the contrast and the highlights a little bit depending on your image. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this preset to some different images so you can see how it looks like. This one, the highlights are kind of blown out. Let me reset all of them first. Sync. Okay, so let's start with this one. I'm going to apply the preset, orange and black. As you can see, it brings back the details in the sky and the highlights on the skin. And here you can see the yellow cap in the background looks really nice with this yellow and orange tint. Let's start with this one. Alright, I'm going to apply the presets again. Again, this one, there's not a lot of yellow in the background, so it looks kind of muted, and his skin tone is a little bit weird. So let's go into orange, just bring back the saturation a little bit, and that should be fine. And same thing for this one. Apply the preset again. As you can see, we got this brick building in the background that's looking pretty nice. Got this cool desaturated sky in the background. Start with this one. Oh, this one, the preset's already applied. There we go. As you can see, there's not a lot of orange, so the photo's gonna look kind of like it's a little bit natural. So make sure you have a lot of orange in the background. So this one is the same. Let's see how it looks on the preset. So this one, it looks a little bit too hazy. So I'm gonna bring up the contrast and the exposure to like really bring out, to really make it pop. So you can see this one, I bring up the contrast by a lot, and you can see that it pops, and it makes the image pops a lot more. Alright, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. The link to download will be in the description. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.